A band of rain clears south and a day of sunny spells and scattered showers. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain. I know.
This morning, what's going on Mars?
So, do you remember a few years ago, Perseverance rover landed on Mars? Well, they've now taken weather data for an entire Martian year. A year on Earth is 365 days and a little bit longer. So 1 year is how long it takes for one planet to go all the way around the sun. So it's 687 Earth days for Mars. So they've taken all of the stats, and this is what they found out about the weather at Jezero Crater. And it's really important to know what the weather's doing on Mars for when they plan to travel there in the future. That's the whole point of the Artemis missions. And they found out that the average temperature is around about minus 55 degrees Celsius. But in 1 day, it can swing as much as 60 degrees. So in the UK today, our temperature from warmest to coldest is about 10 degrees. For them, it can be ranging from 60 degrees from morning to afternoon. It's because the atmosphere is so thin, it can heat up the ground quickly, but then the heat escapes very quickly. They also took... Good morning to you. Yesterday, there were some incredible pictures of clouds doing the rounds. These are called polar, up here to 70 or 80 mile-an-hour gusts overnight tonight. So how do things pan out as we head through the next 7 days? Let's take a look at our outlook. And the big thing, actually, is it's been relatively mild over the last few. Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, temperatures remain average or above, climbing as we head through the coming days. How about our percentage chance of rainfall? How likely we are to see wet weather over the next few days across the north? Well, weather fronts are queuing up. We have heavy showers today and tomorrow, outbreaks of rain to end the working week, but signs that things turn dry into next week. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Well, it has been a little on the cool side, but temperatures slowly climbing, so above average both by day and by night as we head through the next 7 days, potentially cooler into next week. But percentage chance of rainfall, how likely we are to see wet weather closer to high pressure, acting like a force field, keeping away our weather fronts, so the outlook for southern areas is largely fine and dry. These are my workings out from today on old scrap paper. No, weather-wise, my brain has been working hard, as have the computer models, to say actually the weather doesn't look too bad for today. Largely fine and dry with some decent spells of sunshine, but some blustery showers developing in the north where we will have some strong winds. This morning we have a band of cloud and rain slipping south through England and Wales. But then England and Wales, fine and dry, decent spells of sunshine. And in the sunshine today, temperatures climbing up to 12 degrees, but turning increasingly windy for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Heavy blustery showers moving in, hail and thunder, even some snow to say 300 metres. But tonight the skies are clear, which is great news if you want to spot the International Space Station making 2 passes, 6:17 and 7:56. Very important for our next chat about space.